Hello, good morning, everyone. I wish you have a good day today. It's really a pleasure to meet you all, and thank you so much for your time to be here. Today's webinar will last 30 to 40 minutes. If you have any questions, please leave your message on the top right chat box. Myself and our technical team will answer you one by one. We will explore how our customizable, safe, and reliable lithium battery solutions to ensuring seamless operations for you in all scenarios. Today's presentation, including market demands and introduce ROYPOW, which is who we are, then diving into what we have, includes product features, special scenario application, and study case. After that, why us? The section highlights our R&D and global service capabilities. And the last section is free talk, which is question and answers. Okay, so before the section 1, we have a question for you. When selecting batteries for your new AGV fleet, which is your top considerations? You can leave your answers on the chat box and we will select the answers. Okay, so I think different projects, they will have different situation, and I think A, B, C, D all important. So that's why we are here, and we bring all the options for you. So here we account some market challenge and core needs. AGV applications are becoming more complex. Customers need faster charging, batteries to minimize downtime, maximize equipment utilization, and improve overall efficiency. Also, AGV often operate in harsh conditions, extreme temperature, high altitudes, and explore environments. And battery must be highly adaptable and unitary reliable, especially in unmanned settings where safety is critical. Meanwhile, globally, regulations are tightening. Stands from the US PHMSA, the EU Machinery Directive, and the IEC All-Stress Safety, Reliability, and environmental responsibility in battery design and transport. Until 2025, the key industry trends include stricter safety regulations, a push for greener battery tech, smarter BMS-based management, and new innovations like solid-state and faster charging batteries. So, under this regulatory policy, lithium battery is a good choice for current industrial markets. Our lithium battery with high safety design reduce accidents, ensuring equipment and personal protection. And the battery passed the UN 3.3 testing to ensure transport compliance, reduce logistics risk and cost. Also, lithium battery has a long cycle life to support continuous long duration operation. If you have any question about the next session, please feel free to leave your message on the top right chat box, and we will answer you one by one, okay? Now, I would like to introduce our company, who we are. I think most of you might know about us already. I will speak up about this part. ROYPOW, established in 2016, offers end-to-end power and energy source solutions. We develop and manufacture batteries for off-road vehicles, industrial equipment such as AGVs, forklifts, using fully automated protection and in-house tech like PCS, BMS, and so on. We are a global company headquartered based in Huizhou, China, with 17 branches and offices, local in Shenzhen, Shanghai, China, Europe, like in Netherlands, Germany, UK, and Australia, South Africa, Indonesia, Iraq, Brazil, and more we will explore to several customers worldwide. Our advantage in 4 dimensions. First, quality assurance. We have a full testing capabilities to test your products before the shipment. And we have rich market experience. We have already compared with many famous top players like Hyundai, Komatsu, and Yamaha. Also, we have fully certifications like UL25080 for the American market and CE for the Europe market and the transport US 3.3. Also, we have global support local in different overseas area. Now, we coming to our most important section. What we have. Our lithium, also named LiFePO4 battery, delivers reliable, powerful AGVs, AMRs, supports over 3,500 cycle life, over 1C charging and discharging rates, and zero maintenance and built-in electric BMS and faster charging. Also, 4G module optional. Our battery full range of capacity and the voltage from 24 volt to 350 voltage. Actually, not only 350 volt, but also we can compromise up to 700 voltage. And we can compromise the special batteries such as explosion-proof batteries, cold stone batteries, and air-cooled batteries. So here is our finished model list. All the batteries are customized as per different AGV's performance, like voltage, capacity, cycle life dimensions, continuous discharge, and the peak discharge charging current, also IP rating. All can be customizable. We also built a 4-dimensional safety system covering self-safety, design safety, process safety, and certification safety, ensuring total reliability. And we offer customized solution for extreme scenarios like wide temperature range operation, high range charging, high altitude area, explosion-proof environments, and wireless charging. For wide temperature operation, the BMS adjusts power based on temperature. The battery includes heating films, PTC, and insulation to perform in extreme cold or heat. So in low temperature applications, our anti-freeze battery can work in -40 degrees. The battery is IP67 rated, fully waterproof and dustproof, with robust connectors and sealing. Help your AGV can run in fruit, vegetables, meat factory, and other seafood frozen warehouse. You see, our battery module is fully covered, the thermal insulation cotton, and the module have a better thermal insulation performance. Also, the module have a PTC heating plate that activates when the temperature below 5 degrees to heat the module to 25 degrees for normal discharge. And it operates during charging. If you have a requirements about the discharging for the heating function, we also can add it. So here is one of our case study about cold stone solution. We provide our freezer battery to Komatsu Australia for their FB20 fleet, and the customer very happy with the battery's quality. So for the high temperature operation, We have out-cooled battery solutions which built in mini fan and auto fire extinguisher. Here is our testing results. When the battery discharge under 1C, about 25 degrees after 1 hour, this air-cooled battery maintains a temperature about 5 degrees lower than standard battery with natural cooling. Now, take a look at our fire extinction testing video. When the temperature reaches 177.8 degrees, the electric start single or heat sensitive line triggers the aerosol generator, releasing the heat through a redox reaction. This deposits the chemical coolant, enabling joint fire extinction by both the aerosol and the coolant. Our fireproof material used meets UL94VO flammability standards, meaning they resist ignition and extinguish quickly. So for the high range charging 2C solution, we use high frequency BMS. And for the cell solution, we use cell with very low internal resistance for the high power continuous use. This reduces loss and prevents failure. LFP or LTO cells rated for high currents are a good option. Design can be considered liquid cooling and PTC heating to keep the battery at regular temperature conditions. And very important is special electrical design to manage the heat and current safety. For the high altitude condition, our battery select solid state or LFP cells, closed loop cooling, enhance insulation monitoring, and ensure high level sealing can be reached IP67 or higher. Also, we provide a 4G module to let you monitor the battery remotely, no matter it is in remote area, even different countries. The 4G module with the SIM-free solution to provide the monitor server in over 150 countries. You can download our app or log in from our website. What's more, we provide 180 days free data. If you want to renew, it just costs $49.9 per year. Here is a video about our 4G module.
Monitor your forklift in real time with our built-in BMS and 4G module. Remotely lock and manage your forklift with ease. Exclusive customization for rental companies to manage their fleet. Contact us today to learn more about ROYPOW lithium batteries.
So, if you would like to know more about our 4G module function, we can send to you the material after webinar. Just feel free to contact us. So, for the explosion-proof applications, coal mining, oil and gas, chemical industry, we can provide you explosion-proof batteries to ensure the battery operates safely in above dangerous environments. Our explosion-proof battery featured regular air closures, full module pointing, and IP6X sealing to contain, expose, and prevent dust ingress. You will see the battery design structure. All the components comply with explosion-proof standards. In the AGV market, the most popular topic should be wireless charging. So here is some of our wireless charger parameter. If you have a 24-1 or 48 AGVs, we can provide you battery and a charger all-in-one power solution. Actually, not only different solution we provide, but also our lithium battery is very easy to installation. Here are some installation steps. First, you can just turn off the battery and confirm your battery voltage and capacitor match with your AGVs, and confirm the battery size and weight to meet the requirements. Then turn off the machine power. After that, open the battery cover and disconnect and light connection with the original battery. Then use the lifting equipment to remove the original battery from the AGVs. Then use lifting equipment to load the new battery into the AGV through the lifting hole. Then connect the new AGV with the AGVs. You turn on the AGV and check whether the machine working and the functions are normal. If you are the first market customer, you can just skip the first 4 steps. You can count from 5 steps. If you are aftermarket for the replacement battery, you can just follow the 1 to 8 steps. If you have any question about the installation, just feel free to leave your message on the chat box. So now we have a second question for you. What's the biggest battery-related pain point in your AGV operations? Is it the charging takes too long, or frequent battery swaps are required, or repeat capacity degradation, or performance performance in winter or summer? Please just leave your answers in the chat box. Our product team will select your pain point and make the proposal for you after the webinar. And we can answer you the questions during this webinar. Just feel free to type any you want to say, okay? We would like to show you our study case about the AGVs. So this AGV is from one of our customer from the USA. So the customers, the pain point is their AGV must maintain power on at all times, including during the drawwell charging and weekends. And it's always drain of the 2 to 3 amps can depend the AGM battery over the 48 hours. So it's a very serious problem if the battery is a power drain over the weekends. So what we do? So we provide the battery as a compromised BMS, which added the auto recharge function. So when the charger AC plug in the grid and connect with the battery, once SOC drop below 95%, the battery will charging again, ensuring fully charged after long weekend. So here is our the battery testing data, history data we downloaded from our BMS. So you see, when the battery dropped to under 95%, the battery recharge again. So if you also had that with your battery charging issues, we can provide you this solution. So for our BMS, is customizable. No matter what kind of a battery working mode request, we can realize it by programming the software. But also, our self-developed BMS monitor voltage, current, temperature all the time to provide all-round protection against overcharging, over-discharging, overcurrent, short circuit, and the temperature difference, ensuring safe battery operation. Now, we would like to share another case, which from the Italy. So for this case, the customer are special compromised machines. The battery compartment is not uniform. Battery need to be compromised according to the project. For this situation, we design a battery shape according to the vertical body, battery box space provided by the customer to maximize the utilization of the vertical body space. If your AGV also are compromised and looking for flexible battery box design, just feel free to contact us and we can do the flexible battery shape for you. So if you have any question about our study case or about our solution, just feel free to leave your message on the chat box, okay? Now, we are coming to part 4. Why us? We know there are so many brands, battery brands in the market, and why choose ROYPOW? And we have 231 patents and awards, and always keep increasing our technology. We have 2 factories. One is local in Huizhou, China, which is our headquarters. Another one is in Indonesia, is our first overseas factory. And our total production capacity can reach at 10 kilowatt per year. We have worldwide service network. Our service point local in EMEA. So in EMEA, it's local in Rotterdam, Netherlands, Frankfurt, Germany, London, UK, and Johannesburg, South Africa, and the Iraq. And in America, we have 6 offices and 2 warehouses in United States, and it is fully covered US market. Also in APAC, we have network in Japan, in Korea, and in Australia. And we have 15 warehouses in worldwide. You can easily order the battery and pick up by yourself from our nearby warehouse, or we can provide local delivery for you. Also, here are our service stations overseas and the service lab. Also, we have service van. Whenever your battery got a problem, our after-sales technical team are standby near you to help you better understanding about battery functions, operations, maintenance. We also will organize online and on-site training. Here are some photos of our team with the customers from Europe. So firstly, our R&D includes 200 plus experts, many with 20 plus years experience in power electrics, BMS, material science, led by PhDs and industrial veterans with professional design provided advanced battery. If you are an AGV manufacturer, we also can provide you the on-site training. Also, if you are the battery dealer, we also can provide you the pre-sales marketing training and after-sales maintenance training as well. So here, we post would like to welcome the customer to join us and become our ROYPOW dealer. So if you are a AGV dealer or battery dealers, just feel free to contact us. So we can provide you professional training and customer service support globally and the market support. We can send you the material about the marketing promotions and the very good price. Also, we can provide you aftermarket support. When your battery got a problem, we can help with that. All right, now we are open the floor to the questions. Now is a free talk section, okay? So if you have any question about all the topics, please feel free to leave your message. Here we organize some common questions about warranty, lead time, and the price. So for the warranty, the battery and the charger, we provide 5 years or 10,000 hours for battery and 1 or 3 years for the charger. So why the 1 or 3 years? Because for the 1 year charger is is for the smart power charger. And for like a high power charger, usually we can provide you 3 years charger. So if you are interested about this warranty statement, we will send to you after webinar. And about lead time, its standard lead time is about 10 to 12 weeks. It depends on the configuration because for the first market, we will compromise not only the battery, but also we have to compromise for the BMS. So that's why for the first market, the lead time usually will takes about 3 months. But for the aftermarket and our standard battery is just about 10 weeks. Also, for the cost, any cost difference between the battery in common and special scenarios? Yes, the answer is of course, because the cost of battery for special scenarios is higher than the common series, as the cells, components, and the design are different and the more higher stands. If you have any question, please feel free to contact me by my WhatsApp, or please mail me to my email ann.li@rypowroypow.com. Okay, bye bye.